Residents of Ailmara area blocked the Sabroom-Baishnapur road on Friday demanding water and electricity. With empty pitchers and bucket in the hand, women and children of the area has raised their voice demanding for water and electricity. The entire Ailmara area of Sabroom has been without water and electricity for the past 20 days. The locals of the area has to fall in the scarcity of water because of improper electricity. Although the matter has been repeatedly reported to the concerned department in writing, there is no response from the officials of the concerned department. All the netas and netris of the area are seen everywhere when the election draws nearer. But as soon as the election got over, no traces of leaders are seen in the locality in such situation. Whom will the local depend on to share the sorrows? The people of Ailmara area blocked the only important road leading to Baishnapur on Friday morning, Baishnapur market day, and demanded electricity and water supply. With empty pitchers and bucket in hand, women and children of the area has raised their voice demanding for water and electricity. Sabroom police then arrived at the location after they got the information of the roadblock.
আজকে আমরা জল বিদ্যুৎ লেগে আজ 2 মাস হইতাছে বিদ্যুৎ নাই জল নাই পোলাপানি সর্দি কাশি হইতাছে।
তো কতক্ষণ হয়েছে আপনারা এই যে রাস্তা অবরোধ করেছেন?
এই সকাল হয়েছে,
আজকে সকাল থেকে। তো এখন পর্যন্ত বিদ্যুৎ দপ্তর কিংবা পানীয় জলের দপ্তর থেকে কেউ কি এসেছেন আপনাদের? তো আপনারা
দেখবেন লাগে আইন আমরা কি কুত্তা না কুকুর না কিছু আমরা জানি না, পোলাপানি সর্দি কাশি ব্যাগন হইতাছে।
তো আপনারা এখন কি চাইছেন, কি করতে যাচ্ছেন?
আমরা এখন বিদ্যুৎ চাই কারণ জল চাই,
জল নাই কারণ নাই।
With the blockade of only the important road, both sides of the road were traffic jam. The blockade will continue till the people demand of electricity and water are not provided, says the locals. Bureau report, Chini, Khorang.